Hello dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the reading part of your third lesson, World Heritage Sites in India. All of you open page number 275, lesson 3, World Heritage Sites in India. WORLD, World, HERITAGE, Heritage, SITES, Sites in India. World Heritage Site. A World Heritage Site is a place, PLACE, place of SPECIAL, special, CULTURAL, cultural, HISTORICAL, historical, SCIENTIFIC, scientific or physical importance, 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 RECOGNISED, recognized by United Nations, educational, 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 scientific and cultural, ORGANISATION, organization, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. These sites could INCLUDE include forest, mountains, lakes, MONUMENTS, monuments, BUILDINGS, buildings, COMPLEXES, complexes or cities. The aim of RECOGNISING, recognizing any site as heritage, is to ensure its CONSERVATION, conservation for the future. Such recognition, 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 respects the site and makes it INTERNATIONALLY, internationally famous. PRESENTLY, presently there are 36 World Heritage Sites in India. The Taj Mahal, TAJMAHAL, the Taj Mahal is the CULTURAL, cultural icon of India. It, DISPLAYS, displays the GLORY, glory, and GRANDEUR, grandeur of the MUGHAL, Mughal, EMPIRE, empire. It is a white marble, 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 MAUSOLEUM, mausoleum, and stands, STANDS, stands on the banks of river Yamuna. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, SHAHJAHAN, Shah Jahan, in the 17th, SEVENTEENTH, 17th century. He built it in memory, MEMORY, memory of his wife, BEGUM MUMTAZ MAHAL, Begum Mumtaz Mahal. It was the most EXPENSIVE, expensive, MONUMENT, monument of its period, and took 22 years to complete. Millions, MILLIONS, millions of TOURISTS, tourists, and OFFICIAL, official, DIGNITARIES, dignitaries, visit it every year. The Taj Mahal is in fact one of the 7 WONDERS, wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal is the FINEST, finest piece of Mughal Architecture. Architecture, architecture, which combines combines the Persian Persian and the Indian styles. It stands at the center of a square platform SURROUNDED, surrounded by GARDENS gardens and water channels CHANNELS channels. It contains the GRAVES graves of the emperors and the empress EMPRESS empress. It is GUARDED guarded by 4 MINARETS minarets, which are TOPPED, topped by a kiosk or chhatri in each corner. DETAILED detailed flora carvings, CARVINGS carvings, GEOMETRIC geometric designs, BEAUTIFUL beautiful, CALLIGRAPHY calligraphy, and PRECIOUS precious stones adorn the walls of the monument. The walls are famous for its INLAY inlay, STUCCO stucco, and JALI jolly work. The RED red, FORT fort, the Red Fort. The Red Fort or LAL Lal Killa was constructed constructed by Shah Jahan when he established established Shahjahanabad SHAHJAHANABAD Shahjahanabad, present day Delhi, as his capital, capital city in the SEVENTEENTH 17th CENTURY century. It is a national 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 MONUMENT monument. Every year on the Independence Day, INDEPENDENCE Independence Day of our country, our Prime Minister host host the national flag at the Red Fort and addresses addresses the nation from there. The Red Fort is made of red SANDSTONE red sandstone, hence its name. It is a large COMPLEX complex which houses several ROYAL Royal BUILDINGS buildings. The Diwani Diwani I Am and the Diwani Khas DIWANIKHAS Diwan-i Khas were halls used for public and private POSES purposes by the Emperor RESPECTIVELY respectively. The famous PEACOCK Peacock THRONE throne of Shah Jahan is SITUATED situated in the Diwani I Am. RANGMAHAL Rang Mahal was the place for the queens. It overlooks the Yamuna. Moti Masjid MOTIMASJID Moti Masjid is the mosque 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 N-A-Q-Q-A-R knocker, K-H-A-N-A khana is the entrance gate, and M-E-E-N-A-B-A-Z-A-A-R bazaar is the famous market inside the fort. C-H-A-N-D-N-I Chandni, C-H-O-W-K Chowk and Jama Masjid are located just opposite to it. Children, we will continue from Kaziranga National Park in our next class. Once go through the today's video and pronounce the words carefully. Bye children, thank you.